Hello, I'm Mahesh Patil. I'm a chief engineer at DLT Apps. We're building some cloud-based solutions within financial services. I'm very passionate about cloud and infrastructure as code. Terraform is something I've been using for close to 4 years now, and it is my go-to technology when it comes to infrastructure as code and automation. In my career, I've led multiple cloud platform builds from scratch, and one of the common themes has been they've all started out small and scaled up to thousands of resources, if not more. What I've realized, it's important to start with a strong foundation of principles and standards that you adopt so it can scale to be maintainable over time. In this three-part series, I will take you behind the scenes of how Terraform works with a sample provider I've created. You can probably learn how to automate pretty much anything that runs on APIs. I'll also cover some of the main key resources when it comes to leading cloud providers such as AWS and Azure using Terraform. And I would also leave you with some of the main patterns and conventions you should adopt so your platform is maintainable over time as it scales and grows. I'm very excited to share this knowledge with you all, and I hope you will join me